So what about Annie? What did you say about Annie?
She's my best friend because she says stuff and she plays with me.
But you said to me, Annie said she's getting married.
That's what she all does.
That's what?
She all does.
She what? You're not making sense.
She plays with me every day.
Oh, at school? Yeah, but you said to Mum that Annie's going to get married.
Yes, no.
Now, who is she getting married to? Hey? Who said?
Because I wanted to.
Why?
So I just wanted to because she's my best friend.
But you're too little to get married.
No, I said Annie.
Yeah, but you're both too little to get married. You need to be an adult.
No.
Yes.
Adults can't marry children.
I said you need to be an adult before you get married.
No. Annie just wants to stay like that. She doesn't want to be a kid like she can marry herself. But I'll tell her that later on. Tomorrow when we go to the Andrew farm.
What are you going to tell her?
When you are adult, you can go marry.
I'm telling you that. So you can't get married.
Her can? Only girls.
No.
Yes. Girls can.
You need to be
married.
You need to get older first.
Yes, I'm going to tell her that next year tomorrow.
But I'm telling you that, so you need to wait until you're older.
No, I'm telling Annie to be old enough.
Yeah, well, neither of you are old enough to be married.
No, I don't want to be married. Annie. She doesn't say she wants to be married, not me.
But you said that you're getting married to Annie. Or you mean Annie wants to get married to you?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Sorry then. Jeez.
Sorry about it.
No, you sorry about it.